Okay folks, today I'm going to show you the key of G major. All the chords that are in the key of G major. First we're going to work with the triads. Here we go. Left hand plays the 1 major chord, G major. It's G, B, and D. Okay. Right hand plays the inversion. Remember, you're going to start in the middle note with your right hand. That's the B, okay? I recommend fingers 1, 2, and 5. Okay, and then we're going to invert that chord one more time. This time you're going to start on the fifth of the chord, the D. Remember, each one of these chords has a root, a third, and a fifth. So, for the second inversion, you start on this note up an octave. I recommend fingers 1, 3, and 5 for that. Okay, next chord. This is the 2 minor chord in the key of G. A minor. Right. We find the first inversion by looking for this middle note. Start with your thumb, second finger, pinky. Alright, good. And then here's your second inversion. You start on this one. Find the E on the top. Remember, it's A, C, and E. Alright, so we're looking for the E on the top. Fingers 1, 3, and 5 works. Okay? That's just because it's the shape of your hand. Okay, now the third chord. Now remember, in the key of G major, you have an F sharp. So we have to account for that. Okay, so this is the B minor chord, the 3 minor chord. You're going to look for the middle note, which is the D in this case. We have a B, a D, and an F sharp. Put your thumb on the D, up an octave. Second finger finds the F sharp. Pinky finds the B. 1, 2, and 5 fingers. Alright, and then we have another inversion. Start on the F sharp, which is the top note. Bring it up here. Okay, off we go. Here's the 4 major, C major. We had that one in the last key, in the key of C. Okay, so the notes are C, E, and G. Looking for the middle note with the thumb. Okay, and then we're looking for the second inversion. Finding this note here, up an octave. Alright, on we go. This is the 5 chord, the D major. Alright, the notes are D, F sharp, and A. Remember, there's an F sharp in this key. Alright, so we're looking for the middle note, the center note. Play it up an octave. 1, 2, and 5 fingers. Alright. And then we do the second inversion, which is A, D, and F sharp. Okay. Off we go. E minor, 6 minor. We have the notes E, E, G, and B. And so we're going to look for this middle note, up an octave. And then your second inversion. You're going to look for this top note, which is the B. Last one. 7 diminished, F sharp diminished. The notes are F sharp, A, and C. Alright. Looking for the center note. There it is. Alright, and the last one. Okay, now let's play all the 7th chords that are in the key of G. Building 7th chords on each one of these notes. Okay, remember there's 4 tones. And I recommend you once again using fingers 1, 2, 3, and 5. Alright, so that's your G major 7, 1 major 7. Move up, slide to the right. This is your 2 minor 7, A minor 7, slide to the right. This is your 3 minor 7, B minor 7, slide to the right. This is your 4 major 7, C major 7, slide to the right. This is your D7, your 5-7 chord. And remember, we have an F sharp in that key, right? Alright, so there's your 5-7 chord. Go slide to the right. This is your E minor 7, 6 minor 7, slide to the right. And there's your F sharp minor 7, flat 5. 7 minor 7, flat 5. Okay, I hope you enjoyed today's class, and we'll see you next time.